Alright guys, yeah, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be starting a new playlist, which is a set of tutorial series in the research of in the research area of computer vision, which is my current area of research, particularly in the area of object detection. We're going to look at a number of techniques, algorithms, and installations, and also implementations of the current state of the art in object detections. So, as a quick start, today we'll be looking at how you can set up your system for running some of these models. So to set up your system, you can follow the following steps to be able to uh, install TensorFlow on your machine. Yeah, so first you can get the TensorFlow models through this GitHub. So you just issue this command to clone the GitHub, the TensorFlow object detection model repository. Then you need some libraries like Matplotlib, Pillow, LXML, Jupyter libraries. So you can install that using this command. Just sudo pip and get all that installed. Then once you have already done with this, you have these models, so you can navigate to these models. Inside models you have research directory, and inside that directory you can run this program. You can run this command. So this will compile all the protobes in the object detection directory so that the TensorFlow API can work. Now once you are done with that, you need to make sure that your environmental variable is set correctly. So in your command prompt, you export path to this, to your working directory, so that can be included on your environmental variables. And once you are done with that, you can run this command to be able to verify that everything is working okay. And that's just the way you do the installation. So I'll switch over to the way I've implemented mine for demonstration. So you can see that here. So now, so this is my Ubuntu Linux. I had to create another environment, virtual environment. I call it ODB3, and I had to install TensorFlow GPU. That's what I'm doing here. After I've activated the new virtual environment, I install Python pip, and so that I can get the TensorFlow GPU installed. And then after that, I had to install some packages like I showed, some requirements like Cython by using pip install, Pillow like I mentioned. I had to install LXML, install Jupyter. So all those had to be installed, just like I did a walkthrough. And install Matplotlib, and once I'm done, you will see me inside the object detection folder. So make a CD to this API did a make. So that's very important to look at in this space. You see I make a, let me go back, I CD from model, I CD to this directly Cocoa API, Python, this. I did a make, and once I'm done with that, I now had to copy the Python Cocoa into research, and had to run this the code I showed us earlier to make sure everything, to do a test, this Python object detection builder model, and you will get this one. So thank you very much. See you in another tutorial. Thank you.